Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of influencer marketing. It's a fascinating topic that's reshaping the way brands connect with their audiences. In a nutshell, influencer marketing is about teaming up with people who have a strong online presence. These influencers have the power to sway their followers' opinions and purchasing decisions. Think of those YouTubers, Instagram stars, and TikTok personalities with tons of followers. They create content that resonates with their audience, building a loyal fan base. Why is it so important? Because people trust recommendations from those they follow. When an influencer endorses a product, it carries more weight than a traditional advertisement. It's like getting a tip from a friend. You trust your friend's advice because you know they have your best interests at heart. Influencers have already built that trust with their audience. They engage with their followers regularly, creating a sense of community and authenticity. When they recommend your brand, it doesn't feel like a random ad. Instead, it feels like a genuine suggestion from someone they like and admire. This authenticity is what makes influencer marketing so powerful. It bridges the gap between brands and consumers in a way that feels natural and relatable. This is how influencer marketing helps brands stand out. By leveraging the trust and credibility that influencers have built, brands can reach potential customers more effectively. It's a way to connect with potential customers in a more authentic and engaging way. Instead of feeling like they're being sold to, consumers feel like they're receiving a recommendation from a trusted source. Ready to learn more? Let's go! We'll explore the strategies, benefits, and best practices of influencer marketing in the upcoming segments. Stay tuned! One of the biggest perks of influencer marketing? Credibility. When an influencer with a dedicated following recommends your product, their audience listens. They've already built trust with their followers by being relatable and authentic. This translates to instant credibility for your brand. Think about it. Are you more likely to try a new coffee shop because you saw a generic ad? Or because your favorite food blogger raved about their cold brew? The influencer's endorsement acts as social proof. It tells potential customers, hey, this is worth checking out. Influencers have something incredibly valuable: a large and engaged audience. These audiences are not just numbers. They represent real people who trust and value the influencer's opinions and recommendations. These aren't just random followers. They're people who actively consume the influencer's content. They like, comment, share, and engage in meaningful ways, creating a vibrant community around the influencer. By collaborating with influencers, you're instantly tapping into their massive reach. This collaboration can take many forms, from sponsored posts and product reviews to giveaways and exclusive content. Your brand gets introduced to a whole new pool of potential customers. These are people who might not have discovered your brand otherwise, but now they see it through the lens of someone they trust. Imagine trying to reach thousands, even millions of people organically. The sheer scale of effort, time, and resources required would be monumental. It would take a lot of time and effort. You'd need to create compelling content, optimize it for search engines, and continuously engage with your audience to build that level of trust and loyalty. Influencer marketing provides a shortcut. It leverages the existing trust and engagement that influencers have built with their audience over time. It amplifies your brand's visibility and helps you connect with your target audience more effectively. This increased visibility can lead to higher engagement rates, more website traffic, and ultimately more sales. It's like having a megaphone for your message. Your brand's voice gets louder and reaches further, cutting through the noise of the crowded digital landscape. The benefits of influencer marketing go beyond just numbers. It's about building authentic relationships and creating a sense of community around your brand. When done right, it can turn followers into loyal customers and brand advocates, driving long-term growth and success. Influencer marketing isn't just about reach, it's about engagement. Influencers are experts at creating content that sparks conversations. They know how to interact with their audience, answer questions, and build relationships. When they feature your brand, it's not a one-way street. It opens the door for genuine interactions with potential customers. People can ask questions about your product in the comments. They can share their thoughts and experiences. This type of engagement is invaluable. It's how you turn followers into loyal customers. Section 5. Case in point, influencer marketing wins. Don't just take my word for it. Influencer marketing has transformed the landscape of digital advertising. There are countless examples of brands hitting it out of the park with influencer marketing. From small startups to global giants, everyone is leveraging the power of influencers. Remember when everyone was obsessed with Kylie Jenner's lip kits? That phenomenon wasn't just a fluke. That was influencer marketing at its finest. Kylie Jenner's strategic use of her massive social media following turned her lip kits into a must-have item. Or how about the rise of fitness trackers thanks to fitness gurus on Instagram? These influencers didn't just promote the products, they integrated them into their daily lives. These influencers didn't just promote products, they created content that was authentic and relatable. They showcased them in a way that resonated with their audience. By engaging with their followers and demonstrating real-life usage, they built trust and credibility. They made them desirable, even aspirational. Their endorsements felt genuine, making their followers want to emulate their lifestyles. The results? Skyrocketing sales and increased brand awareness. Brands saw a significant return on investment, with some even experiencing exponential growth. These success stories prove that influencer marketing, when done right, can be a game changer. It's not just about having a popular face promote your product, it's about creating a connection with the audience. The key to successful influencer marketing lies in authenticity and relevance. Influencers who genuinely believe in the products they promote can create a more impactful and lasting impression. By sharing behind-the-scenes content and interacting with their fans, influencers can foster a sense of community and loyalty. This, in turn, translates to higher engagement and better results for brands. Analyzing data and reviewing campaign performance are crucial steps in refining strategies and ensuring continued success. Brands and influencers must work together to adapt and evolve. In the end, influencer marketing is about building relationships and creating memorable experiences. When done right, it can lead to incredible achievements and lasting brand loyalty. Section 6. Choosing the right fit. Finding your perfect influencer match. Not all influencers are created equal. Just like you wouldn't use a wrench to hammer a nail, you need the right influencer for your brand. It's crucial to find someone whose values align with yours. Look for influencers who genuinely love your product. Their enthusiasm will shine through and resonate with their audience. Also, consider their audience demographics. Do they align with your target market? The right influencer will be a natural fit, like peanut butter and jelly. Section 7. Authenticity is king. Keeping it real with influencer partnerships. The key to successful influencer marketing? Authenticity. People can spot a fake from a mile away. Don't force influencers to say things they don't mean. Let them showcase your product in their own unique way. Encourage creativity and give them the freedom to be themselves. This genuine approach will resonate with their audience. It will feel like a recommendation from a friend, not a scripted advertisement. Remember, authenticity builds trust and trust builds loyalty. Section 8. Measuring success. Tracking the impact of influencer campaigns. How do you know if your influencer marketing efforts are working? You need to measure your results. Track website traffic, sales, and social media engagement. Use unique discount codes or trackable links to monitor conversions. Analyze the data to see what's working and what's not. This will help you refine your strategy and get the most out of your influencer partnerships. Remember, data is your friend. It helps you make informed decisions and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Section 9. Influencer marketing on a budget, tips for small businesses. Think influencer marketing is only for big brands with deep pockets? Think again. There are plenty of ways for small businesses to leverage the power of influencers. Consider partnering with micro-influencers. They may have smaller followings, but their engagement rates are often higher. You can also explore barter collaborations. Offer your product or service in exchange for exposure. Get creative and think outside the box. Influencer marketing is achievable for businesses of all sizes. Section 10. The future of influence, evolving trends in the digital age. The world of influencer marketing is constantly evolving. New platforms emerge, trends change, and audience preferences shift. Stay ahead of the curve by embracing new technologies and adapting your strategies. Explore live streaming, virtual events, and interactive content. Remember, influencer marketing is about building genuine connections. As long as you stay true to that principle, you'll thrive in the ever-changing digital landscape. So, there you have it, a crash course in influencer marketing. Now go out there and make some noise.